Second bit, first question. If x1 and x2 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, find the value of ax1 plus b whole power minus 2 plus ax2 plus b whole power minus 2 in terms of a, b, c. x1 and x2 are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Equation 1. So, x1 comma x2 are roots. x1 and x2 are the roots. If x1 and x2 are the roots, sum of roots x1 plus x2 equal to minus b by a. Product of roots x1 into x2 equal to c by a. Sum of roots x1 plus x2 equal to minus b by a. Product of roots x1 x2 equal to c by a. Now, since x1 is the root of the equation, given equation, x1 must satisfy the equation. So, a x1 square plus b x1 plus c equal to 0. Substituting in the equation. So, because x1 and x2 are the roots, x1 and x2 definitely satisfy the given equation. I am substituting x1 in the equation. So, bringing c outside, a x1 square plus b x1 equal to minus c. Plus c bringing outside minus c. In this x1 common, if we are taking x1 common, what we get? A x1 plus b equal to minus c. Next, x1 bringing outside, a x1 plus b equal to minus c by x1. I want to square on both sides. A x1 plus b whole square equal to squaring minus square plus c square by x1 square. Next, reciprocal 1 by a x1 plus b whole square equal to x1 square by c square. This is equal to ax1 plus b whole power minus 2 equal to x1 square by c square. Similarly, if x1 is the root, then we got this one. If x2 is also another root, so ax2 plus b whole power minus 2 equal to x2 square by c square. Now, I want to add ax1 plus b whole power minus 2 plus ax2 plus b whole power minus 2 implies, in the next step I am writing. So, this is x1 square by c square plus x2 square by c square. So, simply I want to write as 1 by c square denominator. So, x1 square plus x2 square. So, 1 by c square of this is x1 plus x2 whole square minus 2 x1 x2. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2ab minus 2ab getting cancelled. A square plus b square x1 square plus x2 square. So, 1 by c square of x1 plus x2 equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 into x1 x2 equal to c by a. Taking LCM 1 by c square. First, before LCM, squaring minus square plus b square by a square minus 2c by a. So, 1 by c square, LCM a square, b square, a square by a into 2c, 2ac. So, b square minus 2ac by denominator a square into c square. So, this is the required answer. Next question. Second question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Second question. Alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. What? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, this is the equation. Roots alpha comma beta. Then find the quadratic equation whose roots alpha square plus beta square and alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. So first I want to take the relation alpha plus beta equal to sum of roots minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. So what are the new roots? Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square equal to, this is the new root. Alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square plus minus 2 alpha beta. So this is alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta c by a. So b square by a square minus 2c by a. So taking LCM, a square b square minus 2ac. Next, this is alpha square plus beta square. Next, alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 equal to 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. So taking LCM, alpha square beta square, numerator beta square plus alpha square. So we can write this one as alpha plus beta whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Now alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 equal to alpha plus beta whole square equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta equal to c by a by alpha beta. Alpha beta equal to c by a whole square. Now, so already we simplified this one. Alpha square plus beta square. How much we got? B square minus 2ac by a square by c square by a square. A square cancel. B square minus 2ac by c square. So these are the two roots. This is one root. This is another root. Next, sum equal to b square minus 2ac by a square plus b square minus 2ac by c square. So taking LCM, b square minus 2ac common, 1 by a square plus 1 by c square. Overall, b square minus 2ac of a square plus c square by a square c square. Next, product this one into this one, product equal to b square minus 2ac by a square, b square minus 2ac by c square. So equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So this is the general equation. Next, x square minus alpha plus beta is nothing but sum. This one, b square minus 2ac of a square plus c square by a square c square into x plus alpha beta, b square minus 2ac whole square by a square c square equal to 0. Number 6th, second bit, 6th question. Under root of x by x minus 3 plus under root of x minus 3 by x equal to 5 by 2. We need to find x value. Under root of x by x minus 3 plus under root of x minus 3 by x equal to 5 by 2. So if you observe this root x by x minus 3, this root x minus 3 by x, so this is the reciprocal of this one. This is the reciprocal of this one. Let root of x by x minus 3 equal to, I am taking a plus reciprocal is nothing but reciprocal. This is reciprocal of this one. If you are taking, this is a, this is 1 by a. 1 by a equal to 5 by a plus 1 by a equal to 5 by 2. Taking LCM, a square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. So cross multiplication, 2 into a square, 2a square, 2 into 1, 2 equal to a into 5, 5a. So 2a square minus 5a plus 2 equal to 0. Factorization, 2a square, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1, 4. 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2 equal to 0. 2a common, a minus 2. Minus 1 common, a minus 2 equal to 0. So in this, a minus 2 common, 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So either a minus 2 equal to 0 or 2a minus 1 equal to 0. A equal to 2 or a equal to minus 1 bringing outside 1, 2 bringing outside by 2. So either a equal to 2 or a equal to 1 by 2. If we are taking, what is a? Under root of x by x minus 3 equal to 2. So this is under root of x by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides, x by x minus 3 equal to, squaring on both sides 4. X by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 4. So first cross multiply, x equal to 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 3, 12, minus 12, or cross multiplication, 4x equal to x minus 3. Now, so x minus 4x equal to minus 12, minus 3x equal to minus 12, x equal to minus 12 by minus 3, x equal to 4. Or 4x minus x equal to minus 3, 3x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 3, x equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. Next, similar kind of question. 7th question. Under root of 3x by x plus 1 plus under root of 3x plus 1 by 3x equal to 2. So this is the question. So actually in this question, for this question, this is the reciprocal of this one, this is the reciprocal of this one. Take under root of 3x by x plus 1 equal to a. This is a, this is reciprocal 1 by a equal to. So a square plus 1 equal to 2. A square plus 1 equal to 2a. A square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. So this is in the form of a minus 1 whole square. A square minus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. A square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus 1 whole square equal to 0. A minus 1 whole square equal to 0. When it is possible, a minus 1 equal to 0. So a equal to 1. A minus 1 equal to 0. A equal to 1. What is a? Under root of 3x by x plus 1 equal to 1. Now I want to square on both sides. 3x equal to x plus 1. Bringing x left side, 3x minus x equal to 1. 2x equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Next, discussing 4th question of this bit. Second bit, 4th question. So 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x equal to 10. 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x equal to 10. We need to calculate x. So if we are observing this one, I will write this one a power m plus n, a power m into a power n, 3 power 1 into 3 power x, a power m minus n, 3 power 1 by 3 power x equal to 10. So I am letting 3 power x equal to a. Then what happened? 3 power 1 3, 3 power x a plus 3 power 1 3, 3 power x equal to 10. So taking LCM a, 3a square plus 3 equal to 10. Cross multiplication. 3a square plus 3 equal to 10a. 3a square plus 10a bring left side, minus 10a plus 3 equal to 0. So next 3a square, 3 into 3 9, minus 9 into minus 9a minus a plus 3 equal to 0. So I am taking 3a common. If we are taking 3a common, a minus 3, minus 1 common, a minus 3 equal to 0. So a minus 3 common. If we are taking a minus 3 common, 3a minus 1 equal to 0. Either a minus 3 equal to 0 or 3a minus 1 equal to 0. A equal to 3 or a equal to 1 by 3. So if a equal to 3, what is a? 3 power x. 3 power x equal to 3 or 3 power x equal to 1 by 3, I am writing 3 power minus 1. So the bases are equal, powers are equal. X power x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. Either x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. Next, similar kind of question, fifth one. 4 power x minus 1 plus minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. So I am writing this 4 as 2 square whole power x minus 1 minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. So a power m whole power n, a power mn. So I am writing this one 2 power x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. So a power m whole power m equal to a power mn equal to a power n whole power n. So let 2 power x minus 1 equal to a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. So if we factorizing this one, a square minus 2a minus a plus 2 equal to 0, a common, a minus 2 minus 1 common, a minus 2 equal to 0, a minus 1, a minus 2 of a minus 1 equal to 0. Either a equal to 2 or a equal to 1. A equal to 2 or a equal to 1. What is a? 2 power x minus 1 equal to 2 or 2 power x minus 1 equal to 1. So 2 power x minus 1 equal to 2 power 1, 2 power x minus 1 equal to 2 power 0, anything power 0 equal to 1. So why I am writing only 2 power 0? Here the base is 2. That's why I want to write base here also 2. So bases are equal, powers also equal. X minus 1 equal to 1, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1 plus 1 2, x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 comma 2. So this is the